is 119 PM. That is not Surrey or VoiceOver or any other voice announcement system. That is my own voice. And I'm going to show you how this text-to-speech technology works. Basically, if you want to say good afternoon, that is a recorded file, and this the time is also a pre-recorded file. If I want to change these, import some files from the vocabulary section. Now it is 140. The time is 1:40 PM. Hopefully you're able to hear that. Then I have another example with a smoke alarm. Smoke alarm has occurred. Hopefully you're able to hear that. So you might not be able to hear some of the words because it's just recording with a microphone. I'm still trying to figure out what's going on with that. But I have another example. This is a phone call. Is calling. I can also put any phone number if I wanted to change it to a phone number. So, wait, this is talking phone. I wanted to put a phone number instead. I could just delete this track. Move this further over. I'm gonna put some random numbers here. Just gonna use some random numbers. I'm gonna pause the recording there. I have changed all the files. This is a more complex one. It is talking phone with a phone number. Phone No, that is not my actual phone number. I will not tell you my actual phone number. So this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is calling. Basically, each number is pre-recorded. I will not tell you my real phone number. This is just an example, and this is not a real telephone. That is how text-to-speech technology works. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Support me by buying from my eBay and Mercari stores. Goodbye.